A little kid told me I should make a video about fidget toys, but I didn't know what those were. So I looked them up and I bought the 3 weirdest ones I could find. First, we got these Hawaiian rolls, which feel exactly like one. It's kind of scary. And I don't know if this is on purpose, but it kind of smells like one too. Do I do it? No, I can't. Next up, we got this monkey, which basically just goes flat if you throw it at the ground. So let's try that out. This poor guy's face. Look what I did. Hey, at least he's looking thin. I'm gonna try to do it the other way. Now we're talking. And finally, I have this chicken, which may just look like a normal chicken until you squeeze it. And an egg pops out. This one's actually my favorite. I'm gonna put it on my keychain.